I really like this concept, like the way it's put together. Kids can start this and finish it in one semester, where they can actually get to be involved in the entire thing and still be able to drive it. See, when kids can finish something and see the final product, they enjoy it a lot more. It's awesome. I think it's going to be a great program.
It provides them with the opportunities for career and employment. And so the students all kind of work in teams, and then they build the different subsections, and then it all comes together in one car. And I look forward to sending young people out into the workforce to work on tomorrow's electric vehicle.
This kind of program really brings critical thinking skills to the forefront.
You know, this project is great. It gets the kids out of the classroom. It gets them, it's really some great team building skills. Great out of the classroom, just learning experience for all of us involved.
All of my years of teaching and subbing, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. And it's just the most powerful project I've been a part of. I even was talking with Diego in the vehicle, and he wants to go to Cal now so he can become an engineer and build more vehicles. Like, they have big goals now because they can see what they can do.